drive. No, drive. Oh shit. Man goes crazy. Hey, what is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I am excited today. If you read the title, you already know what this video is all about. We are gonna go rip it. But before we do, we have some quick channel updates and updates with the car. So if you've been watching my Instagram, you know this already. But for those of you who haven't, you saw in the last video we replaced the CCV on this car. And it did run a lot better, but I still felt like there was something missing. It almost felt like it was 90% there, but it wasn't totally right. On a whim, I decided to go out and buy some coils. And wouldn't you know it, the car runs much better. Now, there has been a pattern of me replacing parts in this car and it running fine the day of, and then the day after, as soon as I run the video, it runs like garbage again. So while it's still running well, we are gonna do some fun driving. If we come over here, I've been messing around with mics a little bit. We have a mic going down into the engine bay. I tried to squeeze it in here, but I don't think you can do that on sedans like you can on the coupes. So that's gonna give us some good intake growls. Don't worry, we'll do another POV. But for now, I wanted to try this because I really like the intake sounds in these cars. I'm sure you guys can agree. In light of all the issues that this car has given me, I decided to name her Sparky because whenever my life is going in a direction, she never seems to fail to throw a spark into my life. In this case, literally, because it needed coils. But that's besides the point. We will now know my M3, the high mileage hero, as Sparky the M3. And I think we should give Sparky a proper intro, even though you've all seen her on the channel for a very long time, basically since the channel's inception. And of course, we're gonna get some epic shots, put some epic music over it, as any epic YouTuber would do. So let's go ahead and grab some shots. And now that Sparky's intro is done, and we now know my M3 is Sparky the M3, let's go rip it on some back roads and get some proper S52 sounds. everyone, that wraps up our drive. I am so happy with the car. I think it sounded incredible on the mic. We gave good old Sparky the M3 a workout, and I have my buddy Steven over here grabbing some shots, and I let him drive it, and he gave me a little bit of a scare. He knows how to drive this car, sometimes more than I do. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to smack the like button, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments down below. What do you guys think? Do you like this style more than POVs? I'm not really sure. I like both of them. We're gonna do another POV. At some point, I'm gonna start an exciting new series. Turn the bell on if you wanna have your notifications on, whatever, insert YouTuber stuff, outro, we're done. See you later.